Hey there, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Trade by Numbers. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And you know the drill. If you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, investing, you want to learn how to become financially free and not have to go to a dead-end job you hate, be sure hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and most importantly, hit that like button. It helps me get these videos out to more people. So let's talk about the market just a minute. We had the FOMC meetings yesterday. The Fed come out, Jerome Powell, he come out, he talked. He didn't say a whole lot of things that made me feel warm and cozy, but apparently he made the market feel warm and cozy, at least for the moment. So we had the market run up, had a really nice run up in the market yesterday, and the market is on fire this morning, up nearly 1% here in the pre-market. And we've got most of my watch list in the green. We've had some big tech earnings. Meta, for instance, up 20% this morning already. So that could be a good indication. If these big tech companies start coming out and they got Q4 earnings that are doing very well, that could really pop this market up. Now, ultimately, I'm still bullish or bearish on the market. I'm sorry. I've been calling for about 2 weeks. I thought the market needed to have a leg down. We need to come back down. We need to test support, and then we could rally up and get a more sustained rally. However, the market has continued to run and prove me wrong. I mean, I don't have a crystal ball either. I can only make my best judgment. Now, where do I see the market going right now? Like I said, it could very well take off at this point. We got crypto up just slightly this morning, and everything is kind of set a stage to be able to run up. Now, that does not mean that I still see it running up long term. The next couple of days, I think, will set a pace. And then we've got our CPI numbers coming out on the 14th. And that could be the next real catalyst that could either send this market going higher or start bringing it down more where I think it needs to be at this point. We all know there's a recession coming. This market's starting to run off like there's no recession in sight. And that's a dangerous place to be if you're a retail trader and you're starting to FOMO into this market. You're starting to get in right now after we've already run up so much off the bottoms. There's a lot of potential for loss here, which is why I want you to be very careful. So I'm just going to be keeping an eye on the market today, looking for a nice spot to trade. Coinbase, I'm more than likely going to be picking up maybe a Coinbase option or something. It's up this morning in the pre-market. However, if it comes down right at open and Bitcoin starts to take off, Coinbase is going to be my go-to. I know a lot of people out there don't like Coinbase. Mara, Riot, they've both done very well and made people a lot of money. I've made money on them in the past. I really haven't traded them lately. I've lost a lot of money on Riot. I'll be honest. I made a lot of money on it and I lost a lot of money on it. So it's a double-edged sword when you're dealing with those more volatile stocks. However, if you're trying to grow your portfolio quickly, you've got to start to learn some of these volatile stocks and learn how to manage your risk, because they can get that portfolio up quicker than just about anything. Now, I'm not saying go out there and take risky plays. We're not gambling here on this channel. I want you to take well-calculated chances. We had our SQQQ plays yesterday, had some calls on the SQQQ. That was a well-calculated thing. Thought Jerome Powell was going to come out and basically say what he said, and that the market was going to go down. It started that for about 5 minutes, and then it went the other way. Now we're massively down on those. I may actually look at rotating out of those right at open today, take my losses on them, and look at making some gains rather than just letting those go to zero. We'll see how the market opens up, because like I said, I'm still ultimately looking for this market to come down. Those calls are way out at the end of the month. However, the thing with options is you have to remember every day you're in them, they decay. You start losing money every day that you're in those. So you want to hold on to them for as short a period as you can. Sometimes it's better to take a small loss, buy back in, than it is to hold on to that and take that decay. So that's something that you need to be paying attention to if you're trading options. That's what I got for you. Join me this afternoon. We'll get a sense of where this market's going today. We'll go over that. We'll see if we made any moves, how things panned out. And until then, be blessed. And remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.